Whenever you're planning an event, one of the most important things that you could possibly do is create checklists for yourselves. Just brain dump everything that's in your head for the before the event, for during the event, and after the event. The things that you need to do, the things that you need to buy, the things that you need to borrow, the things that you need to bring to your event. So here is how to create those checklists in the Event Builder Pro system. So as you can see, I'm going to come to this is my event. It's Sean's birthday party, and here is my plan that we have created. And then the third section down is my checklist section. Now here we've got a simple button. You're going to type in a new checklist. We even have kind of a suggestion here for you, a pre-event, during, or post-event checklist. So this is going to be my pre-event checklist. I'm naming my checklist, and now here's the name of my checklist. And then now here's where I'm going to assign tasks. So, and create tasks and assign them. So I'm going to create a new task. The task is going to be buy, or it's going to be to reserve Top Golf. The due date that I have for myself, I'm going to set this before the end of February, and I'm going to assign it to myself. Right now, the account name that I'm under is Sean, and then the last name is Specie Testing 3. That's my name is Sean Specie, founder of Event Builder. And here you can see that we have reserved Top Golf, the due date, and who it's assigned to, which I can change at any time, or I can come here, click edit, and I can change these items. Now I can also check it off. It fades it out, but it leaves it on there to see what I can have done and what I have not. Now here I can add a new checklist where I'm going to do the during birthday party checklist. Hit create, and you can see here I've got tasks which I can add a new task. This is going to be to set up birthday cake table. We're going to say that this is on the date of the event, which if I remember correctly, kind of remember September 25th, a Thursday. I need to do that. And here you can see that what you can do is you can just keep going. You can just keep adding new tasks, keep adding new tasks, keep adding new checklists. And that is how you create checklists and tasks in the Event Builder Pro system.